Another issue or another situation we've come across at Connexus with customers or potential customers is the whole idea of server leasing. Now, don't get me wrong, if you're a printing company or you do something in that arena, sure, you need printers. I mean, that's what you do. But in any other field or any other business, leasing these business class printers, we don't feel that it's necessary. Not with FedEx Kinkos nowadays, where they'll not only print it for you, they'll collate for you, they'll even design certain aspects of your print job. Even Staples will do this. So if you're any other type of business other than a printer, we feel the only really printing that you need to do is desktop printing. So you can go down to Staples or Best Buy and get yourself a really nice laser printer for a couple $100, and it'll last you a couple years, and when it breaks, you go out and spend another couple $100 instead of paying these astronomical amounts, monthly lease amounts for printers that you really don't take advantage of and really don't need, because the volume of printing that most businesses have just doesn't measure up to, or it doesn't justify using one of these biz hubs, or name your brand. The Canon Biz Hub. I think there's IBM printers, high output printers. So we would urge you at Connexus, and we would recommend, before you get into some kind of server lease, take a step back, think about, how much printing do I really do? How much is this going to cost me to lease these big printers? And do I really need it? Great, your ink's included, but you're being charged per page. Yeah, if the thing breaks down, sure, they'll come out and fix it for you, which is nice, but getting yourself a nice laser printer, high output laser printer for under $1,000. At that price, I'm not too concerned about maintenance on it. Plus, it should be, if you have a managed service contract, it should be a device that's managed. Now, granted, replacement costs will be billed to you, but to manage it, that should be covered. So, again, just take a moment before you take the plunge and start leasing servers at multiple locations from a printing company, and just make sure it really makes sense to you, because like I've said before, we don't believe it does. Maybe in a few cases, that are the exceptions, sure, but for the most part, the small business community does not need to waste their money on high output server leases, or printer leases, sorry. So again, like I say at the end of every video blog, check out our YouTube site. Check out the other videos there. Please call or email us with any questions you may have about stuff or topics we've talked about. And we'd love to hear from you, and send us ideas about other blogs you might want us to create. Thanks again. See ya.